Hey, welcome back to another video. I have been using one of these to clean my grill for a long time. I used to have those wire brushes and they say don't ever use those because the wires will get stuck in your food or whatever. But I wanted to try something new. So I picked up one of these things called a grill rescue, and I thought that I would just try it and do a quick product review video, see if it works. My grills are kind of dirty. I'll show you what they look like. So I've got a fire going in both grills. You can see this one's got a little mold on the inside, and then this one's got a little, I don't know, whatever that white stuff is, maybe mold, I don't know. So let's try it out. You can see, I've got the heat. It's already more than 400. The instructions say to get some water, so I just got a bucket of water. Don't know if that's gonna. I think what the concept is you have this, looks like a sponge with some type of really durable material here, and then the water is supposed to boil on the grill, and the boiling water is going to then clean it off. So I don't know how much it's going to take to do that, but then you've got this, which I guess takes place of this to kind of scrape all the chunks off. So you can kind of scrape it. This is also replaceable, pretty durable. This is plastic, but it's probably solid, vacuum formed ABS. So we'll give it a shot. So I'm going to turn the fire off, and you can see we're at 450. Let's see. I guess I'll smash down. There we go. I don't know how much water you're supposed to have in it, but I got it pretty well soaked. Yeah, no more bubbles. Okay. Let's see if this thing is a winner or a dud. So now we're just going to move this on here. That's kind of cool how that works. It does appear like it's cleaning it. Of course, this will never look nice again. All right, so we just did 2 passes. Let's just soak more water and try it one more time. Wow, I'm surprised how clean this is getting. This is pretty cool. Let's just try this. Probably don't even need that part. But look at how much cleaner it is. It's pretty impressive, actually. And I guess you've got this for this in between spots here. Push that off. Let's do one more time. I think we'll do a third pass. So you definitely need a bucket of water to soak this up because it chews it up pretty fast. Now, do you think there's any problem with it being a cast iron grill and I'm putting water on it? I guess it's all right. Wow, it really dissipates fast. It'll be interesting to see how long this lasts. I have to say I'm pretty impressed with this thing. It almost immediately cleaned everything. So we're going to try it on the green egg next and see if it does okay on that. Okay, we got a grill at 450. I've cut off the air supply, both sides, so the fire is out. And let's see if this works. Definitely seems to be maybe a little more difficult because you've got these ridges or something. Versus, when you're, so I don't know how to clean on the down inside of those ridges. Let's turn this around. That's pretty promising, actually. That actually looks pretty good. I'm just gonna flip the griddle around and see the other side. So we got about 475 on the grill. I cut off the air again. And now let's take a look here. Let's see if we can clean this. All right, one thing, it seems like the hotter it is, the more water it soaks up. For sure. Going all the way around it this time. Look at that, that's amazing. Once you go over it once, it does really cool it off. So, I mean, it looks clean enough to eat on now. That is pretty impressive, I have to say. All right, so just looking at this afterwards, I don't know, like if you're supposed to clean it, or you can see some sizzle marks, but yeah, I don't know what to do with it when you're done. I guess what I could do is just, I don't know, put it somewhere back here. I mean, it's gonna just dry out, I guess. But it's like permanently dirty at this point. I just happened to take a look at the instructions, and it says they want you to actually run this in the dishwasher. So, I mean, you know, when you use these to scrape, I guess it's one thing, but this is detachable, I believe, through this. Got this squeeze here, maybe. Yeah. But this is all dirty, so should I just put the whole thing in the dishwasher? They're saying take this and put it in the dishwasher, so I'm gonna do that and just see what it looks like when it comes out. I mean, we'll see. All right, so we got it out of the dishwasher, and it's definitely cleaner. Let's see, and it's dry, so you can see it's pretty much dry. Let's see if it gets anything on my, I mean, seems like it got clean. It was a little gritty, but yeah. I guess we can keep it in the house. Definitely exceeded my expectations, and I think while it is a little on the pricey side, I'm hopeful that it lasts a long time. It says it should last up to 100 grills, so 100 washings, I'm assuming, since you're gonna wash it after you grill and use it. I think I'll get if it lasts 100 times, that definitely would outlast one of those old brush style. So I'll recommend it. Thanks for watching.